how to use NEIS or NEIS, whatever. So first log in, make sure you're using Internet Explorer, go to the third option at the top, and this will open up a bunch of pop-ups, and I'll just close it all. And then, sorry, I just need to drag it over because it's on the other page. Okay, so here, click on the first option, click on this to apply, and then choose the type of vacation thing that you want to use. So I pressed other, choose the dates and the time, and it will automatically come up with how many days. Make sure it's correct, otherwise manually change it. And down here, type in your reason. You should type it in Korean because it needs to be approved by the vice principal and the principal. And then click here, and then you can see what you just applied for here. Click here, and then make sure you click on the vice principal and the principal, so mine are the first two, and then press OK, and then you just have to wait for their approval for the holiday or vacation. And then you get some pop-ups that basically say, oh, they're probably away, you have to wait for it to be approved, and then you just accept it all, and that's it. Now you just wait. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!